Coco was spreading rumors about Slick that she has HIV now. Karma take her.
And
Rip
this year,
Slick.
look how the something I tear down live. How people are spread rumor upon her. So she have AIDS, so she have HIV, this and that, this and that, this and that. I post the I have the screen record there. I have screen record from last year. I also have my friend voice note, but I'm not gonna play my friend voice note when she that back. And my friend did send one voice note, you know. And I ball and my friend I say, that girl just text upon me so I'm tired her. And I ball and I tell my friend say me I gotta go live. And I did go live last year. I did go live and bring on. Who remember that incident there? No phone supposed to remember that. At the first and all the time that you never hear my friend mouth on the internet. Cause remember so she not answer people and she not talk and them stuff there. And they made the woman I forgot doctor and put up her result and everything. Me not forget my heart still pay me for my friend. Alright. So last year, this was it. I show you everything. I play about 2 of the voice note them. But I'm not gonna play the voice with my friend about. I'm not disrespect her so in a life, not in a death. I'm not give a fuck. Hold on. Just a show no.
That is none of uno sell
This was last year.
pussy girl when you call pan it cannot size up with blood clot me. None of uno. Oh. That is none of uno sell out fuck 8 pussy girl when you call pan it cannot size up with blood clot me.
Alright. That was last year, you know. This was my friend voice note. Cause I never know what going on. My friend linked me up. And then, alright, this was my friend voice note. Some off.
Just blood clot. Come I go doctor the other day. I drive myself to the hospital the other day. Come I never feel well. Girl and the doctor them blood clot. Run about 16 blood clot tests. You know, anytime you go doctor for nothing, them have to run HIV test or whatever. But listen to my blood clot care. Say, yo, but even not got me yard until I get back my HIV results.
My friend not my wall when she tell me what the girl did I do her.
No girl with AIDS cap and them pussy can't style her. I say that I'm my blood clot to them because you see, oh, she a class and she a go and I ignore her. No blood clot girl now go up on them live and come call blood clot AIDS for my name and me no blood clot and so she better come suck out the shit out of my blood clot body. And a rapid blood clot test me do a fully blood clot, cut my blood clot neck pan one black. Me never blood clot give a boy germs yet. And me never blood clot catch a germs yet. Never. With me blood clot yet. And all my bad mind, girl, and me this and a man not own me up and me that and me. The girl just dip on me blood clot case, so I'm now answer the girl. If the girl never blood clot, say nothing about blood clot AIDS to me, right? You know me own answer. But me now make the girl call AIDS for my name and me a blood clot answer. And a blood clot AIDS not in my body. And I can blood clot post.
Alright. I'm telling you something. My heart hurt for my friend. You hear me I tell you? In a life or in a blood clot, they make them call me gatekeeper. Me not give a fuck. Me no business. To the end like Chucky. I'm gonna always defend her. In a life or in a death, I'm not care. This year now. Look pan blood clot, karma. Remember, you know, and first of all, before you come for me, I want to not come for me. Because remember 40 days and 40 nights, that big something they give me up on TikTok. Remember that girl in arrest me. Remember when they try to sell the false rumor about, oh, landlord and this and that. Which part of the rumor go? Oh, I'm going to get locked up. Oh, I'm going to go jail. Oh, I'm going to go court. Them did us try to sell a story and it not even last date for 9 days. Not even 9 days it lasts for. So who feels it, knows it. Yeah. I pray with blood clot pray. We not forget what hands dirty. Watch ya now.